Good morning, friends. How you doing this morning? It is Friday morning, the day before the weekend, and I'm telling you, I know that everybody who works a 5-day weekend, who's got a job, everybody's working towards the weekend to look for that little bit of rest and relaxation and to do your own thing. Got a quote from for you this morning. It's from Vince Lombardi. He says, "Obstacles are what you see when you take your eyes off the goal." I want to encourage you this morning, don't take your eyes off your goal. Don't take your eyes off the dream. Man, we're going to have a lot of distractions, a lot of obstacles coming our way, challenges, situations that'll come up and take our focus, our eyes off our dreams and off our goals. And then there's going to be negative people who are going to try and jab you along the way and try and distract you, derail you from accomplishing what you set out to do in the first place. Keep focused on your goals and your dreams. Walt Disney said, all your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. You have the courage, you have the power, and you have the determination and the tenacity to pull through whatever comes your way. Keep your eyes on the goal, keep your eyes on the prize, and you will achieve what you believe. Guys, take care. I hope this blesses you. Guys, just share this, like it, please comment, share me your thoughts and your words, and please share this with somebody else. And let's get the message out that, anything can happen when you set your mind to it and you focus. Just stay focused. Guys, have a terrific Friday. God bless, and we will see you later. Bye-bye.